Hello, my name is Allison Fry, and today we are going to be practicing our skills in problem solving.
So let's start by reading the problem. There are two two-digit numbers that satisfy the following conditions. The first condition is each number has the same digits. The second condition is the sum of the digits in each number is 10. The third condition is the difference between the two numbers is 36. The first step in the process of problem solving is understanding the problem. So we're going to read it through again. There are two two-digit numbers that satisfy the following conditions. Well, first we need to define what a two-digit number is. So a two-digit number is any number between the numbers 10 and 99 because they both have two digits. So all numbers between 10 and 99 are two-digit numbers. All right, so the first condition is that each number has the same digits. So we're gonna say that it's something like 12 and 21. Not that those are the numbers for this problem, but they're just an example. And we'll say that x is 1 and y is 2. So 12 would be xy, and 21 would be yx. That's just an example of how the first condition is. The second condition states that the sum of the digits in each number is 10. To understand this condition, we need to understand the difference between the digits and the number. So the number is, for example, xy, but the digits are x and y. So our digits are x plus y, because sum is adding, equals 10. The final condition is that the difference between the two numbers is 36. Difference means subtraction, and numbers, again, are xy and yx, and that equals 36. So now we have completed the first step in the process of problem solving, which is understanding the problem. So now we are going to do the second step, which is devising a plan. For this problem, we're going to guess and check, but to make sure that we're doing all of that correctly, we're going to again write down everything that we know. So going back to the first condition, we understand that our two numbers are xy and yx. Going back to the second condition, we've understood that x plus y equals 10. And then for the third condition, we know that xy minus yx equals 36. So we're going to write down the next thing that we can figure out. We're going to list out all of our possibilities for condition 2. So over here, we're going to write 10, and we're going to write out everything that has the sum of 10. So 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. So now we're going to write out what the two numbers would be for all of these numbers right here. So for 1 and 9, we could have 91 and 19. For 2 and 8, we could have 82 and 28. For 3 and 7, we could have 73 and 37. For 4 and 6, we could have 64 and 46. For 55, we could only have 55 and 55. Okay, so this is where we're going to carry out our plan, and we're going to guess and check. So we're going to take all of these numbers that we wrote down over here and plug them in. So 91 minus 19 is 72. 82 minus 28 is 54. 73 minus 37 is 36. 64 minus 46 is 18. and 55 minus 55 is 0. So looking at all of these options right here, the only one that equals 36, which again was our condition in number 3, xy minus yx equals 36, we can now see that 73 and 37 are our two numbers. So now, just because we found our numbers doesn't mean that we're done. We need to go back and check for our final step in the process, which is looking back. So back to the first condition. Each number has the same digits. 73 and 37 do have the same two digits. The second condition, x plus y equals 10. 3 plus 7 does equal 10. And the final condition, the difference between the two numbers is 36, which we just confirmed. So, looking back, this is definitely our right answer.